Hey guys, it's Rita. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Denise Jordan. Her channel name is This and That with Denise Jordan, and Cheryl. Her channel name is Around the House with Cheryl. These ladies have asked us to participate in the Great Gift Wrap Challenge. They've simply asked us to wrap a present and show how we do, how we decorate it, make it special, something that you normally wouldn't do probably. Or maybe you do. They just want to see it. So the only limit is 3 gifts that will be wrapped. You can wrap 1 or you can wrap 3. And that's it. So let's get right to mine and see what I've come up with. Okay, so evidently I must have lost the footage of just the box. I have no gifts yet, so it was just a gift box, and I am wrapping it in the brown craft paper. I'm using the double-sided tape, so none of the tape will be showing. I'll be using this spray adhesive and then also some glitter that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So I simply sprayed the adhesive on, added glitter, and sprayed some more adhesive on top so it will not fall off. I'll also be using this ornament that I picked up at Dollar Tree and some of this white glitter ribbon. I will hot glue the ribbon to the ornament, and then I'll just run it around to the back of the package and tape it down. And that's it, guys. So on to number 2. For my second present, I'll be using this empty gift box. I believe a necklace came in this. And I'll be using the brown craft paper again. So I'll just let you watch and see what I come up with. I am using the double-sided tape again, and I'm trying to crease the edges. I did this one on the first one also. I just forgot to mention it. So on this one I've decided to use the little red truck ornament with the tree on top and the camper. I will just be using hot glue to put these on the present. So here it is, guys. I did come back in with a red marker and I just wrote Merry Christmas on it. My handwriting's not great, but there it is. Okay, so for number 3, I'm just going to use this little wood plaque from Dollar Tree, and I'll use this fat quarter that I picked up at Dollar Tree also to wrap it in material. And I've never done this before, so we'll see how it turns out. I will be using hot glue instead of tape to hold this together. It was a little difficult to get the ends wrapped neatly. It's not perfect, but it will be okay. And now I'm just going to use some of this garland from Dollar Tree also, and a little hot glue, and just wrap it around here about 3 times, just to give your eyes something else to be drawn to. Okay, so this is it. This one's not my favorite one. Let me know in the comments which one you like, 1, 2, or 3. Okay, hold tight and I will display all 3 for you. Okay, so here they are. I hope you enjoyed this DIY today. I would like to thank Denise and Cheryl for hosting this great gift wrap challenge. This did allow me to think outside the box on wrapping presents and how to decorate those. So be sure to check out their channels. Also check out the playlist. Thanks to my subscribers for your continued support, and if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you join. It's free. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.